Every engineer knows the 3 steps of building a prototype. Measure twice, cut once, burn yourself. This is how I built a test machine from a predictive maintenance system, and how the machine almost did predictive maintenance on me. The idea is simple. 2 overboard motors, steel frame, and a way to simulate mechanical failure on a command. Nobody sells a machine designed to break, so I built one. I measured 3 times because the second time I got different number. 3 mm of difference in aerospace, that's a disaster. In my garage at 10 p.m, precision engineering. Now, the welding. You're holding a tiny sand 2 centimeters from your fingers. Molten metal spitting at you like an angry Italian grandma who found out you skipped a lunch. And you welding gloves protect your hands beautifully. But the 2 centimeters of wrist between gloves and sleeve, free zone. The sparks always find a gap. Always. Like they have a GPS. Final burn count 6. Personal best. Last project was 9. Progress. But after the measuring, the cutting, the burning, the neighbors, it came together. This garage welding steel frame is going to hold my beef sensor nodes and hopefully tell me if I can predict a machine failure before it happened. Real vibration data, real bearing, no simulation. Next step, mounting the motors and trying to spin everything without launching parts across the room. Finger count so far? 9.5.